Hi everyone, welcome to Skill Questers Hub. In this video, we will discuss notebook cells in Jupyter Notebook. A Jupyter Notebook cell is a single block inside a notebook where you can either write code, add explanatory text, or display output. Each code cell can be run independently. Okay. When we create a notebook, we get one cell which is present by default. Okay, so we can use the cell to write code, markdown, or raw text. Okay, so here we have the cell and we have the code inside that print notebook cells. So we can run this code by pressing Shift Enter. Okay, so now let's explore the cell options that we have in a cell. So these are the options that is present. We can use this option, the first one, to create a duplicate of this cell. You get a copy of this cell created. We can use the delete option to delete the cell. We can use this option to insert a cell above. So if you click on this, you get an empty cell added above. And the next option is to insert a cell below. So if you click on this, we get a cell inserted below. Okay. And we can use this arrow, up arrow, to move the cell up. And we can use the down arrow to move it down. So we can use these options which is present in the cell to add a new cell above or below, to move the cell up or down, to create a duplicate cell, or to delete the cell. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. The same options can be done using the keyboard shortcut. To use the keyboard shortcut, we first need to go to command mode. To do that, just click on the cell and press the escape key. Okay, now you can see that the cell is getting selected. Now if you press A, it will add a cell above. Okay, if you press B, it will add a cell below. And to delete the cell, go to command mode by pressing escape, and then we need to press DD. Okay, so we need to press DD twice, so it will delete the cell. Okay, similarly we can also delete the cell above. Okay, and to move the cell above and below, again go to the command mode and we need to press Ctrl Shift and up arrow to move it above, and again Ctrl Shift down arrow to move it below. So these are the cell options present in a notebook cell. I have also prepared a reference guide on notebook cells. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.